Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope so you all are going great and well. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the lecture. Hope so you all are going great and well. So for today's second lecture, as I told you in the previous class that today you're gonna have two lectures of science, and I'll try my best to upload two videos daily. Or if I'll not do that, like I'm not confirmed regarding it, but for today it's confirmed. Okay, let's start without wasting enough time. If you have not liked, share, subscribe my channel, do that so. And as well, if you're having any question on English, Urdu, maths, science, comment on my video. I'll go through that as soon as it will be possible. Okay, balanced diet. Now, comparison between carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Now we have done it, but still in the previous video, if you have not seen and gonna check about that, I'll provide its link in the video, in this video too. So carbohydrate, basically its examples are rice, bread, grains, fruit, cotton, wood, honey, sugar cane. These are all the foods which are rich in carbohydrates, and proteins are egg, meat, yogurt, milk, seafood, cheese, nuts, beans, lentils. These are all the foods which are rich in proteins. Now, fats and oils: seeds, nuts, eggs, dairy products, olive oil. These are all the foods which are rich in fats and oils. Now, this was the difference between their sources. Now, coming towards their building blocks. So, again, in the carbohydrate, the glucose is a building block of carbohydrates. Like basically, carbohydrate is built up of glucose. That's why it's a building block of glucose. Sorry, carbohydrate. Okay, proteins. Now, amino acid is a building block of protein. Okay. Now, here again the same thing. Protein is made up of amino acids, so it's a building block. And fats and oils, fatty acids and glycerol are the building blocks of fats. And fats and oils are definitely not fats and fats and oils are made by fatty acids and glycerol, so they are the building block of them. Now, also it's clear that the building block of carbohydrate is glucose. The building block of protein is amino acid. The building block of fats and oils is fatty acids and glycerol. Now, difference between the energy released, I have told you to the next class, so I'll not expand it. So like here, 1 gram of carbohydrate when broken down in the body release 4 kilocalories of energy. And the sign of calories, so capital K, small CAL, kilo calories. So this is basically the sign of it. Okay, protein. So 1 gram of protein when broken down in your body release 4 kilocalories of energy. And then fats and oils. So 1 gram of fat when broken down in your body release 9 kilocalories of energy. Now again, I told you that fats and oils are rich in nutrients. These are the rich foods and nutrients. Now, what are their major functions? So carbohydrates, they are, what are their major functions? That they are the main source of energy. I told you they are fuel for the body. I told you they are the instant source of energy. I also told you this. Now they control blood sugar. Now what does it mean? That when you take the carbohydrates in a larger, not a larger quantity, in a minimum quantity, in a middle quantity, maximum quantity, they control your blood sugar. Like the sugar in your blood, they control that. They use fiber in that. So again, they use fiber in work in the intestine. They are used to clean our intestine. Now proteins, they play an important role in making body cells and muscles. Now again, I told you they help us to build body tissues, hormones, enzymes, and it serves as a fuel source for cells and tissues when needed. And then fats and oil, they're important for the growth of young children. It can be stored in the body and keep us warm. The healthy fats help us to improve your brain function. They are part of cell membrane. Now this is a new one, so basically they are very good source of energy, but as well as they are part of cell membrane. They are present in the cell membrane, and they make protective coating on fruit. So in the fruit, the protective coating, the outer layer is made up of fats and oils. Now their deficiency and their diseases. So carbohydrates, their deficiency may lead to what? Headache, fatigue, weakness, affect the growth of body. And proteins, the deficiency in the body may lead to kwashiorkor, marasmus, slow growth, swelling, fatty liver, skin damage, discoloration of hair, infections. And fats and oils, the deficiency in the body may lead to infections, skin and hair problems. We have already discussed it, and that's why I'm not going in details. And the examples, carbohydrates, the examples are starch, sugar, glucose, protein, enzymes, antibodies, keratin, hemoglobin. These are all the examples of theirs. Now fats and oils, cholesterol and steroids example. Now sources and examples are two different things. Okay. Sorry. Okay, now let me open the another slide, and then I'll be coming towards you guys. Okay, coming towards the next slides. Okay, now we're gonna do vitamins and minerals, inshallah. Now, vitamins are special helpers that our body needs to stay healthy and strong. Now, these are basically the special helpers. Now, what you can say, helpers in a way that they are very important for our body to stay healthy and strong. They are like tiny superheroes that help us grow, fight off sickness, and feel our best. Like you can say, they are superheroes for body vitamins. Now, there are different types of vitamins that our body needs. Some of more important are like today, like actually which I'm going to tell you are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D. There's vitamin E, vitamin K, more such, but we're gonna go through A, C, and D, and these are the easiest one. Now, functions of a vitamin A. Now, what are the functions of vitamin A? So it improves your night vision and eyesight, enhance immunity to infections. Now, first of all, it's very good for your eyesight. Like if you're gonna take rich foods in vitamin A, what will happen? It will help your eyesight and night vision. It's gonna be strong eyesight and strong night vision, and enhance immunity to infections. Like it improves the ability to resist diseases, and it helps you to fight the diseases. Now, diseases caused due to function deficiency of vitamin A are loss of vision or poor vision. Whether you can have zero vision, loss of vision, and poor vision too. Now, the disease caused due to it is also a disease caused due to it is night blindness. Now, sources of vitamin A are like vegetables, fruits, egg yolk, butter, carrot, especially these are the very good sources of vitamin A. Now, function of vitamin C. Now, function of vitamin C is very good for skin, helps to heal damaged skin quickly. So, if you're having an injury, so if it will be recover, it would recover is quickly. That means your body has very nice amount of vitamin C present, but it would take time when your body does not has the vitamin C. That's why it will happen. It's very good for skin. You're having pimples, that means you're having deficiency of vitamin C. So basically, in serums, we have been watching it in the ads of serums, or in the ads of serums, that of creams, in that of face wash, soaps. It's always written that rich in vitamin C. That it means the same. Now, disease due to deficiency of vitamin C. What can happen in disease due to deficiency of vitamin C? Scurvy. So this is a disease you can have due to vitamin C. We'll discuss the diseases, their causes, their symptoms, and their example treatments too. Okay, now then we're having the sources of vitamin C. Now, what are the sources? What are the good foods you can take for consulting vitamin C? Citrus fruits like orange and lemon, like juicy foods, khatte jisko hum kehte hain. Okay, now vegetables like cabbage and potato, such vegetables. Functions of vitamin D, that helps to make bone and three songs, help the absorption of calcium. So absorption is calcium is basically a mineral, and we're going to discuss about that. But vitamin D is used for absorption of calcium. So you also need to have calcium in your body. If you're not having calcium in your body, then definitely there's no use of vitamin D. So it helps to make bones and teeth strong. So it's good for making your bones and teeth strong. The disease caused due to vitamin D is rickets, and it's mostly common in children. So it's mostly common in children. Sources of vitamin D are dairy products, eggs, fish, liver oil, and stay in front of sunlight for some time. Minerals are tiny building blocks of our bodies. Like they are small building blocks that build up our body. They are like tiny Lego bricks that make our body strong. Now we are going to study about two of them, calcium and iron. Now, calcium. So function of calcium is that it makes bones. It makes the bones theek hai. Okay. Enamel of teeth. Enamel of teeth means it enamels the teeth. Like the covering of the teeth. Clothing of blood means the cloth of blood, and then the control muscle contraction and how your muscles move. And disease you can get with the calcium is the osteoporosis, and we are going to discuss in detail. The sources of calcium are dairy products, green vegetables like spinach, eggs. These are all the sources of the calcium. Now, functions of iron. Now, it's good for the hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is basically a red, it's present red blood cells, red pigment, and it is a protein. Now, again, transport oxygen in the blood, which help us to transport oxygen in the blood. Now, disease caused due to deficiency of iron. So what are disease you can get due to deficiency of iron? So anemia, weakness, fatigue, pale complexion means जब आपका चेहरा पिंक हो जाता, पिंक नहीं सॉरी येलो हो जाता है, दैट्स कॉल्ड पेल complexion. Rapid heart rate, like आपकी हार्ट रेट बहुत बड़ी हो जाती है. Sources of iron: liver, meat, fish, egg, nuts, whole cereals, green vegetables, especially fiber. Now, fiber, the right amount Okay, the right amount of fiber keep sore intestine healthy and working properly. Now it helps us our intestine to work and be healthy. Now we mostly get fiber from fruits and vegetables. Deficiency of fiber may lead to problems such as constipation, bloating, diabetes, and high cholesterol level, etc. So if you are not having good amount of fiber in your body, then what will happen? You will have to deal with constipation, bloating, diabetes, and high cholesterol level. Now water. People can live without food for many days, but they can't live without water. So it's very important for a body to have water, because we can live without food, we can live without food, but not water. Water is the main component of our blood. Like if water would not present in the body, but it could not be circulated in the body. Water helps to transport nutrient in the body. Okay, जो nutrients होते हैं वो body से एक जगह से दूसरी जगह with the help of they go with the help of water. It helps to remove toxic material for in the digestion. They also help us in excretion. They also help us. We may obtain water from fruits and vegetables that are high in water content, like cucumber and watermelon. तो उन fruits से we can get it. So let me open the next slide. Okay, nutrient and their composition. So there are 6 essential nutrients that are required by the body to stay healthy. So carbohydrate, water, protein, mineral, fats, and vitamins. I told you all these nutrients are made of a different type of elements. Okay, you should know the percentage of daily calories of each food group and their elements shown before. So first of all, carbohydrates. Now they are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Now percentage of daily calories for 45 to 55%, like 130 gram daily. You need 130 gram of carbohydrates daily. And okay, food sources, I'm not gonna go through them. I'm repeating them again and again. Protein, तो proteins are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen as well as nitrogen. तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि प्रोटीन में आपके पास नाइट्रोजन भी होती है. Now a percentage of daily calories like 28 to 35%, like 46 to 56 gram आपके लिए protein is it for the day. Facts like carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen. These are the three things. It's made up of 3 elements. And now percentage of daily calories 20% till 35%. So 12 grams is enough. Now vitamins and minerals. Now vitamins are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, and traces like बहुत less amount में, like traces means in but less amount. Minerals now made up of single element or compound, for example sodium, calcium, potassium, iron. like एक single element से जो है वो बना हुआ होता है. percentage of daily calories की भी traces है. अब आपने यहाँ पे देखोगे, you've been seen here that carbohydrates, fats, and vitamins, these are made up of carbohydrates and oxygen, but proteins is made up of carbohydrates, oxygen as well as nitrogen, whereas minerals, they are only made up of single element or compound. Now you would also seen here that proteins and fats, they are having the percentage of daily calories they are having equal, but proteins में 46% से 56% आपको चाहिए, लेकिन फैट में आपको 12 ग्राम चाहिए. And vitamins and minerals both are traces. Now types of nutrients. Now macronutrients and macronutrients. Macronutrients, they are needed in small amount. Micronutrients, the body needs in large amount. Macronutrients regulate body processes, support immune function, and vitamin, okay, etc. So micronutrients provide energy, support growth, etc. Balanced diet. Okay, wait. A balanced diet creates energy to help us perform our different tasks. So tip to maintain a healthy and balanced diet: eat plenty of all color foods and vegetables, like apply apple and orange, drink plenty of water, eat fish, meat, chicken, beans, and peas for proteins. Milk is a good source of calcium and protein. Avoid eating fast food, avoid eating too much fat containing food. Do not cut out any food group. Now these are the food group. Greens आपको चाहिए, fruits चाहिए, vegetables चाहिए, meat, fish, eggs alternatives चाहिए, milk and alternatives, fats, oil, salt, and sugar आपको चाहिए. Okay. So balanced diet. So eating a balanced diet plays an important role in improving our health. By choosing right type of food, we can maintain our health. Diet that consists of fruits, vegetables, grains, and nuts which reduces disease risk. Well, unbalanced diet can lead to health and weight problems. तो इससे आपको बहुत problem हो जाती है. Along with the diet and regular exercise can improve our health. Regular exercise maintains fitness, as increases energy level, muscle strength, and brain function. Regular exercise has lowered the threat of many diseases and may help us maintain a healthy weight. Hope you like today's class. See you in the next class. And maybe it's regarding science, but I don't know topic. So bye bye. Take care and Allah Hafiz everyone.